My name's Jack. Let's have a look at our 2010 Audi A5. Just slap some mad camber on him. Fully sick, mate. Cambered out on one side, but I thought I'd go a little bit different on the other one, you know. Keep it different. Headlight is damaged, was completely broken on the black plastic at the back, which we can have a quick look at here. You can see there, bit of a crack there. Snap down the bottom. This is something that we will be taking off and storing into stock. So if you're ever after something like that, give us a buzz, let us know. Give you a quick peek under the engine bay, or under the hood, at the engine bay I should say. Pretty clean. Very nice. None of this has been touched, which is great. So all the rad support and everything like that's still in one piece. It's all intact. Quick look at the rear seats as well while we're at it. Rear seats are pretty clean as well. There's no, except for the this one all the way unfortunately means that these rear seats are no good, but this bottom part should be alright too. Passenger seat. Nothing has been deployed on this seat, which is fantastic, so that's still 100% intact. And we did manage to get it turned on very briefly. Gave us enough time to work out that the radio was working, all these controls and buttons are working, display worked, can move it around to whatever you need to. The only thing that we couldn't get it to do was actually turn over, which is a bit of a bummer. So it would have been nice to hear this thing purr a little bit, but it's what it is. The VIN number over here as well. Yeah, that's it. 2010 Audi A5. Vehicle is now available for dismantling. Please visit our website for any parts that you're after, or give our team a call on 03 5943 9100. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.